Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this XtremeSkins product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be applying a couple of the 6 skins that I got in front of me for my Google Pixel 7, and that is made possible by XtremeSkins. Huge shout out to them for giving me the opportunity to represent precision, style, and protection. On the back, thank you for your order. You are awesome. I did not order any of these. Again, they were gracious enough, they being XtremeSkins, to send all of this to me. Now we have a QR code here that you can scan so you can watch on how to apply a XtremeSkins skin to a smartphone, laptop, whatever it is that you want to apply a skin to, or you could go to YouTube. If you have any issues, let XtremeSkins know. They will take care of you. Head over to the website, check out all the different skins, colors, and textures, man. It's amazing how much they got going on over there at the official XtremeSkins website. And with that, I'm going to put that over here. Make sure that you have a microcloth. You do get an alcohol prep wipe in the packaging. I also have a little rubbery pad here that's going to keep my Google Pixel 7 in place. It's gonna help. It's a lot better than having it on my slippery desk. So find something that can somewhat grip whatever it is you're applying a skin to. I will also be using a blow dryer to heat up the adhesive on the back of the 2 skins that I'm going to choose to apply to my Pixel 7. That way the skins will adhere to the back, stick to the back. But it is very important that you constantly move the blow dryer around, never leaving the hot air in one area for a long period of time, because it can damage the skin. But more importantly than that, it will damage your smartphone. Again, very important, moving the blow dryer around. Okay? Now, what I'm going to choose for this video is going to be the matte red. You can see the texture, nice and grippy. And I think I'm going to go with the matte Morpheus. So that's the combo that I'm going to use. We do have this brushed titanium. That's beautiful. Look at that. Camel black. That is gorgeous. Black leather. Look at that, man. And white wave form. This is one of my favorite skins right here. Yeah, that is nice. Allow XtremeSkins for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. Right now during the holidays, it is very busy. XtremeSkins is located in the UK, so it's going to take a little bit. Typically, it's about a week. But again, you're going to have to, business day wise, a week and a half, 2 weeks. The price points are going to be very affordable. You'll be able to mix it up or go with one solid type of skin, but however you do it, it's not going to be a lot of money. We're talking $10, $11, $12, typically under $15, depending on what you're going to get for whatever it is you're going to apply skin to. So with that, let's begin the process. We'll get a good look at the end on how these 2 skins look on my Pixel 7, and I will be using a case as well. I got the Poetic Guardian here. What's really nice about a case, outside of the protection that it's going to give my Pixel 7, is the back here is clear, hard plastic, clear back, that is going to allow for me to see my sexy skin, my bold skin, but also the back of the case here will press up against the skin on my Pixel 7, which helps the adhering, that sticking process. So that's really cool. So, okay, let's do this. That is tough. Now, it's not perfect, but it's close enough. Yeah, that looks really good. That's just bold. I decided to go with the white waveform G there for Google, just to give it a little extra sum. You can see a little bit of the aluminum peeking out there, that bar area, and right in there. And that's where it's not completely perfect, but it still looks really good. I gotta tell you something, man. When you're doing a skin install, do it at a time where you're not going to be interrupted. Gotta have some patience, and at the same time, enjoy the process. All right, let's go ahead and put the Poetic case on really quick. Put the frame on, the back part of the case. Very simple and easy. And bam, just like that. Now I do have a little air bubble there, but I can work that out. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. The link to XtremeSkins will be in the description area. Yeah, that is just tough. I do have one other case here that I wanted to check out as well. Inexpensive clear case that I picked up over at Amazon. Yeah, that is nice. I like the G there in white. Definitely gives it a little extra touch. That sum. All right. And with that, thanks for watching. God bless you all. Till my next video. Peace. This is my Project 13. Stay safe and healthy, and happy holidays.